2021 has already been a great year for Chessington World of Adventures. We've seen a brand new pirate ship in the Blue Barnacle open down in Pirates Cove, and we've also seen the stunning new croc drop open in Forbidden Kingdom. The park are going strength to strength, and with plans coming for a new roller coaster very soon, Chessington is once again back on the up. Now then, there are some subtle changes you may not have noticed for 2021, and one of them is the interactivity which you see in some of the queue lines. Today, we're going to look at the Vampire queue line to see what they've done to enhance your queuing experience. Upon entering the Vampire queue, you will notice a board just on the left hand side as you pass through. This board will give you directions of what to do. There are 4 stop points after this with QR codes on. These QR codes can be scanned to bring up on your phone or device a story of the vampire and indeed your chance to win some goodies as well. The process is as easy as 1, 2, 3. 1. Open the camera on your phone. 2. Point it at the QR code. And 3, follow the link to the park's website. Once you're on here, there's a host of interactive activities for you to do, plus a little story as well. As you can see us now flicking through at the pages, you will see the vampire story, a lovely little touch for your children to read or your family to read whilst you're in the queue line. At the bottom, there's little games and puzzles you can also participate in to keep you going between QR codes and your entrance to the ride. Of course, this also unlocks another feature as well, which is the ability to spell a word out. Upon spelling that word, you can be entered into a prize draw to win some donuts, or indeed get a limited edition Vampire 30 badge. Now, for anyone that collects the pop badges, you'll know how hard it is to get some of these, and this is one of those you do not want to miss out on. Have you completed this task yet at Chessington World of Adventures? Let us know in the comments below. We want to make sure that everyone gets the opportunity to get their limited edition pin badge. From UK Theme Parks, my name's Adam. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time.